Yesterday, I sent the White House a request to talk to the president about his record on transparency. That's sent. But I'll talk to him about anything. Today's request, I'm just going to send them a bunch and hopefully one of them they like. I mean, I only have like a week left. Can't hurt, right? So one of the things that I've done a lot on this YouTube channel is fly my drone. Guess what's never happened at the White House? Someone flying a drone. So, I want to fly a drone with the president. Let's ask him. To Deputy White House Press Secretary Eric Schultz from Patrick Gavin. January 10th, 2017. Subject, another request to interview the President of the United States. Good morning, Eric. I emailed yesterday regarding my request to talk to the President about government transparency. But I also wanted to give you and your colleagues a few other interview options to choose from, should one prove more interesting than the others. Another frequent theme on my YouTube channel is my use of drone footage to tell the stories of where I go and the places I see. Drones are not allowed in DC for the obvious security reasons, but I'm guessing that if the president flew it, perhaps it'd be okay. With drones becoming a more frequent digital and visual tool, and perhaps an economic one as well, with such brands as Amazon and Chipotle exploring drone delivery, I thought doing a video at the president on the South Lawn in which he tries his hand at operating a consumer drone, such as mine, the DJI Phantom 4, which are relatively foolproof, would be compelling, entertaining, and informative. And just think of the footage. Am I throwing spaghetti at the wall? Maybe. But this has the added bonus of being a genuinely fun video project as the president wraps up his time at the White House. Thanks for your consideration. All the best. Patrick Gavin.
I'm hoping to interview the President of the United States and was hoping you could help me out with how to do that.
Hey, I want to introduce myself.
Yeah,
I'm Patrick.
of course.
I'm new here.
Yes.
Just want to say hi. And